oh my God, it's remarkable. Yes, this is the Remarkables. South Island, New Zealand, amazing. And obviously when you see beautiful things like this, it's about how can I make my life remarkable every single day? How can I make my business remarkable? And remarkable, have a look at that word. Remark simply means, for me, I want people to think about my business over and over and over again, to say it's remarkable. And the only way to do that, of course, is to be really passionate about what you do and make sure that you're doing something uniquely different to everybody else. This set of mountains is uniquely different to any other set of mountains in the world, and your business needs to be the same. If you do the same as what everybody else is doing, you'll get what everybody else is getting, and then you will be unremarkable. No cow poo.